my second vlog, and today me and Rebecca and Timmy are gonna watch the Bolts game. I don't know where we're going yet, but I'll let you guys know. They're gonna be here in like 20 minutes. I'm vlogging on my phone now. It's like way better quality too. I'm with Rebecca and Timmy. That's Timmy. You haven't seen him yet. He's a huge Bolts fan.
Timmy King.
Timmy King.
Timmy King. Follow me on Instagram at Timothy King Jr.
I'll put like a little thingy.
Ooh.
Rebecca.
Tonight is a Bolts game.
Go
Bolts! I don't know if
this
you
all
can
begin?
tell, but Timmy likes the Bolts.
Yeah, wait, I'll show
I'm a
you like
Lightning fan.
like I'll show you his whole fucking outfit.
When we get out of the car.
Yeah. We're in the Richardson's bathroom because we came.
Smells like ass. Can I swear on this?
Yeah.
It smells like asshole.
Ass cheeks. We came to meet up with people, and now we're going to laser tag.
And I don't know, I'm probably
It
gonna.
gives me fucking anxiety.
Actually, why is the camera facing that way? It makes me uncomfortable.
Because my camera's like broken, the front camera.
I want to use my phone.
Do you want to? You have to send me the footage now. Okay, we're gonna go now.
See you.
Please show your outfit.
Tempe hat. Signed by Nikita Kucherov.
Oh, damn.
Tempe Lightning necklace and
Given to him by
Tempe
me.
Lightning Bolts jersey signed by.
That looks so sexy on you, Timmy. Laser craze. I don't know. Wait, where did we go?
Where's Laser Quest?
Laser Quest wasn't open, so they gave us a free voucher. Travis, you want to be in the vlog? Yes.
I tried to carry Timmy out of Laser Quest. I haven't had to carry him in a long time.
Yeah, she said that.
funny as shit.
Wait, what team was that?
Caps.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Caps is going all the
You
way.
don't fucking say that.
we're in
Timmy
the
King.
vlog. I need some more little trees. Gotta keep the collection up.
You already have so fucking many.
Need more.
Not even funny.
Wait, what? What are you trying to do? Oh, okay, I get it. You get it? Yeah, I get it. Alright, wait.
I had to restart because I thought I didn't know what was happening already. I thought I was going on this one, so I got confused. Already.
Oh, no.
There I go.
No.
When are we going to your house? No one's moving.
I'm a tank, what can I say?
I'm moonwalking, but my Christian Louboutin bleeding. I'm smoking moon rock, started on you Beyonce, go way to Venus. I'm a star, so I put a neutron on my pinky. I'm on the ceiling.
Timmy, guess
I'm
what?
on Uranus right now, I think I seen a demon. I thought I left you back there in the cell, or am I dreaming? Say I ain't dealing with your dog, I'm going a different way.
Turn down the
Fuck
music.
you.
So Timmy,
Oh, fuck me.
Timmy, what do we think about the Capitals?
Capitals fucking suck.
Let's just have a talk about that.
Capitals-
Go Bruins!
Capitals.
Go Bolts! I'm gonna say go Bolts. I'm gonna say go Bolts.
Yeah.
I got my chain and everything.
What's a good song?
Anything by A Boogie. I don't mean
I
that.
fucking agree.
I know. I'm smart. See, I'm smart.
He's smart, because you know what? Timmy's going to fucking Harvard.
Timmy.
He's only a junior.
Adios.
What the fuck is that sound? What the fuck is that sound? Broken knock out, nigga side down. I got shit I never had now. I can brag now. Got my bitch a Louis bag now. She can brag now. Down, baby, when I pick it up, put that ass down. Tell him you don't give a fuck, baby, spin that ass round. Hey, boogie with the hoodie and it's always foreign. Yeah, I know she like my style of love, but niggas boring. When I pull up, they gon' skirt, that's a foreign. When I pull up on a red light, they don't want it. Then I saw her at the club.
DJ
All these horses in my car got me going fast. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. Move that could be my last. All these horses in my car got me from my pedal to the gas. Going so fast, hope I don't crash. One false move that could be my last. I just pulled up in the Benz, it was just me and my man. Hope I don't crash. One false move.
What? Hey guys, I'm back home now. I have to stop saying hey guys because every single time a clip starts, I say hey guys.
Hey guys!
I'm back home now. We went to Travis's house after that video singing montage you just saw in the car. We went to Travis's house, watched the game there, and then my dad picked me up and Kathleen and Grace are here. That's Kathleen's best friend and that's my sister.
I think they know that by now.
Okay, and then that's my dad. First say hi.
Hi.
He's really supportive.
That was beautiful, Dad.
I just made some avocado toast.
I need some milk. Yes.
Like you can?
Yes.
Why are you being like hesitant about it?
You can always have to go pee. Yes, you can pee.
So, I wanted to share this ice cream that's really fucking disgusting. So this is the Halo Top dairy-free birthday cake flavor ice cream, and it's like not good at all. I looked at like the ranking list of like the best ones, and the birthday cake was like up there, and it's like all right, like your first two like bites, and then it's just like really fucking disgusting, and you get like plate like. Why are you being fucking obnoxious?
Sorry, no, I almost dropped my straw. Sorry.
And then it tastes like Play-Doh after a little bit. This is what it looks like. Because you're really being extra for no reason. It's not that good. I wouldn't recommend. Probably like a 4 out of 10. But I'm gonna try other flavors and I'll keep you updated. Grace wants to say hi.
Hey guys, I'm not eating oatmeal.
That my
actual shit.
my dad made them. Are you gonna go to the bathroom now?
No, I don't have to go anymore.
Or? Good morning, guys. So it's the next day, and it's currently like 2-ish. It's 12 o'clock. And I'm going to the mall with my friends so we can get outfits for Post Malone, which is this Thursday. And I'll be vlogging that. It's on my birthday. And I don't have anything to wear, so we're going to the mall. Hey guys, we're in Victoria's Secret. Faith's getting underwear. That's so look at the plan. That's from we just went to Forever 21. Now we're in Victoria's Secret. We're in PacSun now, and Faith tried on these pants. Wait, let me just show them. They're really not her size. She decided to get an extra large and a huge ass, so that doesn't work.
I think I should take them off now.
Yeah. All I've gotten, show you a little haul.
I need you to help me though.
Okay, let me go help Faith for a second. Okay, I'll do a little quick haul of what I got. So, for Post Malone, I think I decided to do an all black outfit. And for that, I got some black sticky boobs. They only have like sizes A and B, and that's probably not gonna fit me, but I'll just try. And then from Forever 21, I also got this top. So this is what the top looks like. It was only like $9. It's really cute. And then I'm also gonna see if I can borrow someone's black Converse or like black Vans because I don't want to buy those. And then I also got some hoops. I'm gonna do an all black with gold jewelry. We're still at the mall. We're wicked fucking tired.
This is so awful. This whole time.
Yeah. Like just like in some stores.
Oh.
But I haven't like been with you yet.
I just wanna go home. Yeah. As said in Julian's first vlog, Faith, Rebecca, Laura are her best friends, but
And
in
Carissa's
reality, I'm her best friend. So how about you just forget she said that?
Do you want me to put your Instagram?
Yes, please.
Say
I need
what it
those
is.
followers.
Say what your Instagram
My
is.
Instagram is Carissa_Fagner_.
We're literally waiting for Faith and
Alana.
They're talking to
Alana.
Talia because they've seen so many people. This is a business talking.
oh my god, are you fucking
I
serious?
want to go.
I just want to leave and we
I
don't
just
have a
wanna-
ride.
I'll go home.
Go this way. Rebecca!
Oh.
Do another cool trick.
Don't worry. I can do it again.
This is so fucking. Oh my god,
Oh
this
my
is so
God.
fucking disgusting. Makes me want to die. I'm tired. At least my phone's not
They
dead.
saw Carly Stringer here. Grace,
Yeah, I know,
they
I
saw
did too.
Bago. Oh, I said that
What?
really weird. They saw Bago, Haley, Jesus, and Grace. Carly Stringer and Stephanie Stringer.
Where'd
wow.
you see Grace?
They saw.
Okay, bye. Me and Rebecca ended up finding a ride home. Grace, Bago, and Haley drove us home. And I've just been home for like an hour, and now I have to go do homework because I have school tomorrow. And then I'm going to edit this vlog because I vlogged all weekend. And I'll put it up, and then my next video will be at Post Malone on my birthday. I'll try my best to film that. And comment down below what videos you want me and my friends to film, because I don't have that many. Bye!